We're here in Collegetown Court on the second floor next to the laundry room. The laundry room is the door on the right with the window on it. I wanted to show you apartment 209. This is a 1-bedroom unit, so we're right next door to the laundry. So I wanted to show you the proximity. So we're nice and close to that laundry room for the building. As we go into the apartment, our kitchen is on the left side. So we have our refrigerator over here. There's the microwave. We've got those cabinets and drawers. There's the sink and the stove and oven. That door across from us here is the bathroom. Let's take a look in there. Collegetown Court just has 3 1-bedroom units within this whole building. So this is one of them. There's the tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity, and it's got a shelf behind it. So that's a feature in a few of the apartments here in Collegetown Court. And you can see the toilet and the medicine cabinet. So just 3 1-bedroom units. They are all different. This is the only one on the second floor. The other 2 are on the first floor. As we go into the living room area, we've got another closet. One of the 2 closets for the apartment is over here. So we have 2 closets. This is great for some storage for coats and boxes and suitcases and whatever oversized items you have. And because we have a 1-bedroom apartment, that means there's a separate living room and bedroom. So that means we have the seating areas, the 3-person sofa, 1-person chair, some tables. There's that dining table and chair. So we've got a lot of nice floor space in here. And you can see there's the air conditioner in the window. We're on the second floor on the west side of the building. So we're really just looking at other apartment buildings, the back of apartment buildings from College Ave and Dryden Road out there. So it's not an open view, but it is still bright because we are facing west. This nook right here is where I would put the bookshelf. We're gonna see it in the bedroom, but I think that nook right there is a great spot for the bookshelf in the apartment. Of course, you can move furniture around wherever you like within the apartment. As we go into the bedroom, so we do have a separate bedroom that closes off. We've got the full-size bed. There's another big window, so we have 2 huge windows in here. That next air conditioner. There's the desk and chair. There's the dresser. You can see the bookshelf over here. So it's a nice big bookshelf. Again, I think it would work really well in the living room area. Of course, you can move things wherever you like. Here's the other closet. So the building that we're in is Collegetown Court. We're located at 208 Dryden Road. From the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, we are just 1 block from campus. This is a 5-floor building with an elevator. We're on floor 2. This is one of just 3 1-bedroom apartments within the whole building. So this is Collegetown Court apartment 209. This is a 1-bedroom apartment here in this building at Collegetown Court, and we're located just 1 block from campus.